Hey there, I wanted to make this very quick tutorial video on how you can automatically reconnect your smart lead inboxes after they disconnected for whatever reason. If you've been using smart lead for a while, you might have experienced this, right? So you see this red exclamation mark here. That means the mailbox has been disconnected. And depending on how many inboxes you have set up, this could happen a couple times a week, right? If you got a couple hundred or a couple thousand inboxes, this could pretty much happen all the time. And it can be pretty annoying to reconnect all of these manually and to reconnect the warm up settings because, yeah, if it's disconnected, like nothing's working, it's not sending emails in your campaigns, it's not warming up, it's not doing anything, right? Um, Luckily, there is a very easy fix to this, and I'm going to show you this very, very, very simple make flow with just 5 steps. I'm having this run every single day just so we can automatically reconnect our inboxes and restart the warm up. So let's dive into this. So the very first module we're gonna use is the reconnect email account. So if you go to smart leads API docs, we want to get this endpoint, right? So reconnect failed email accounts. As you can see, you can only run this 3 times in every 24 hours. But like I said, I'm just running this once a day just to be sure. If an inbox disconnects, we just reconnect it the next day, and we're all good. You can run it 3 times a day, depending on how often you encounter this. But I'm just going with once a day. So we're going to get this API endpoint. Just a very simple post HTTP request. All you got to fill out is your API key. Just gotta wait 10 seconds, right? Just so we got the time to actually update the inboxes on Smart Leads end and to get everything reconnected on Smart Lead. We're just waiting 10 seconds to be sure there. Then we're fetching all the inbox stats from our smart lead. So all the inboxes, we're just going to fetch all of them. This is a more advanced API call. Now you can find this on Smart Leads YouTube. So I'm not going to dive into this just in this video, but it's basically making an API call to Smart Leads internal API. But like I said, just type in something like Smart Leads hidden API, and you'll get that video on how you can access that API. So we're going to call all of our mailboxes here. We're going to iterate over all of them, and I got a filter set up here that we only want the inactive ones, right? So email warm up being inactive. So those should be only the ones that just reconnected, right? In that first request, then their warm up status is going to be inactive. So we only want to have those come through. And something I have here as well. So the thing is, if you're working with these sort of Outlook resellers like, I don't know, like Hypertide or Infra Inbox, as I'm doing, you can't run warm up on those, right? So we want to keep that out. It's those type of inboxes where you set up like 100 inboxes per domain and you just send 1 or 2 emails per account per day. It works really well, but the thing is, you just can't send warm up emails on there because, yeah, it just doesn't work and you're going to kill that inbox. So I put an extra filter here. So the thing is, I have a tagging system set up in my smart lead. So the first tag is always the client, and the second tag is the way it's been set up or the particular inbox provider, right? So in this case, infra inbox is going to be the email provider for which we don't want to enable warm up. So I'm fetching the setup tag and I'm putting the filter here. If the text operator does not contain infra, then we can continue. So yeah, those are the 2 things we want to make sure. And then the final one is a very simple activate warmup HTTP call. So also go to your Smart Lead API docs here. It's going to be looking for account management. Where is it? Update. Boom, there it is. Update warm up settings. So you want to get the endpoint, put all those data points here, and then there's the final HTTP call. So yeah, that's a very, very, very simple scenario, very simple flow, but it helps a lot. It helps me save a couple minutes a day. But the most important thing is, you just don't have to worry about it, because it's always going to happen automatically every single day. There's nothing that can stop us, nothing that can stop us from sending emails and making money, right? Because we got this running in the background. Awesome. If you need any help setting this up, do not hesitate to reach out, and I'll be happy to help. Cheers.